So gallery walk, that means display the project. And the students will be interacting each other. As I said, cooperative, we have two terms. One is a cooperative, another one is the collaborative. Now, collaborative, that means students are freely. Suppose you have assigned a project to build the pyramids, and there are the 5 students, and you ask them, okay, to do that along with instruction. So that means these 5 students are actually responsible. Instructions are with them. So this environment is we call the free room. This says question, which of the strategy will most enhance student attention during the lesson? So that means one thing is clear. Cooperative work, both are the group work, right? Cooperative. In cooperative work, we are assigning individual tasks. For example, same group of 5 students, A, B, C, D, E. Now for the pyramid, you have assigned that this group will be doing task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5. Now, who will be controlling? Teacher will be controlling. So the collaborative and cooperative, actually, these are the two different things, okay? These are the group work, okay? We can say peer, we can say support. It has nothing to do with the attention. So this is why this is wrong, why this is wrong. Regarding the exit card, as I said, we are talking about, during the lesson, we are talking about teaching here. Now, exit ticket is what? Is it during lesson? Yeah, end of the lesson.
End of the lesson.
End of the lesson, right? So how we can say this is the option correct? Now, regarding number head, okay? For example, you can play a, what we call, wheel game or what? What is that? Wagon wheel or what? What is that? Or you can assign the numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, guys, when I call number 1, you will be answering. That means everybody will be attentive, right? Maybe Miss is going to call number 3, and number 3 is mine. Maybe Miss is going to call number 5. Number 5 is mine. Maybe Miss is going to call number 6. Number 6 is mine. So this is what exactly number head is studied here. So B is the correct option, okay? Any confusion in this, please let me know. Any confusion, please let me know.
No, sir.
Yellow. We'll do a couple of more questions, okay? I'm sure you're not.
C.
C. Miss Aksa, you are choosing C.
Yes, sir.
Now, for answering Bloom's taxonomy question, first we must remember that these action verbs. Now, examiner asking about what?
Evaluate.
Which level? Evaluation level.
Evaluate.
Now
Yeah.
we have to choose the action from it, right? Let's see. Now, looking at these numbers, define, duplicate, list, memorize, these belongs
Yes.
to remember, right? Likewise, if I want to check understanding, classify, describe, extend, identify. If I want to check apply, execute, implement, solve, demonstrate. If I want to check analysis, differentiate, compare, contrast, distinguish, examine. If I want to check appraise, argue, defend, judge. If I want to create design, assembly. How can I identify that which level these are? Through the Bloom's taxonomy's action.
Yeah.
Now, examiner says, please tell me You have to design the evaluation level, right? Evaluation level. Now, let's see, first we have to check what exactly the option you have selected is what? Is it evaluation? You selected the option design, right?
Mm.
Design means what? Create.
Create. Yeah,
So that
okay.
means you went above the evaluation level.
Yeah.
So we'll not go for C.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
guys.
option B.
Option B. Examiner is
Conclude.
very clever. Examiner is very clever, more than us, you know. You said conclude, right?
Yeah,
Actually,
conclude.
conclude is the evaluation. But question is that whether the option B is correct or not. Here we are going to take as a whole option, right? Will not take as an only conclude. Yes, Miss. I completely agree. Miss Tejal. Miss Tejal said D. Guys, D. D word is what? State. And state comes in which option? Which level? State. The word state. Remember? Right? Isn't? State comes in what?
Yes, sir. First
Remembering,
one.
right? If I don't remember, how can I state, right? This is the one point. So this is also right. Now, whether it's the A or B. Let's see. Miss, somebody said conclude the advantages of replacing non-renewable resources of energy with renewable resources. Don't you think so? We are comparing in this option. Please check. Don't you think so? This B option's comparison.
Yes, sir.
Like I'm giving you a bet for better understanding, Miss Samina. Let's see. I'm removing non-renewable. I'm using iPhone and Samsung, right? Now it will be more clear. Conclude the advantages of replacing iPhone with Samsung. That means I'm comparing here. Which one is better, right? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, when says that defend it, that means you have to be judgmental that this is the better. iPhone is the better than the Samsung. That means defend. Defend here we are taking the event. Importance of replacing non-renewable resources of energy with option A is the evaluation. Please, anybody have a question? Do you agree with this or no? Anyone? Do you agree with this option A?
Yes, sir.
So defend is the evaluation level. Yalla. A option is the correct. B is the destructive one. Yalla. Moving to the next. Check. After this, one more question, okay? Yalla. Let's see.
Sir, option C analyzes.
Hmm.
Application.
Application. So one option we have analysis and one we have the application. Application means what? Use, right?
Sir, synthesis.
Synthesis. You are talking about Mr. Synthesis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Synthesis means
Production.
create, right? Production, right?
Yes. Yes, production.
But
Yes.
if we are talking about this one, then I can go for it. What about what I have to do this one?
Yeah, two things are there, yes.
Sir, option C, analysis.
Miss Samina says option C. Who is with option C? Who else?
Option C, sir.
Miss Suja, option C. Anyone else? Yes, Mr. Salam.
Sir, because it's here in the question also highest level.
No.
So according to all these four options, analysis is the
Yeah,
highest level.
highest level of this task. Okay?
Yeah, highest
This
level
task.
of this task.
This task,
Yes.
okay? Not highest level of Bloom's taxonomy.
No. Highest level of this task.
This task. If the highest level of the Bloom's taxonomy, this is the old version of the Bloom's taxonomy, then we will go for A. But question says, after writing, what we have to do? Analyze, right? So our action is what? Analyze, right? Not to write. But if I remove analyze, then what will be the option? A will be correct.
Synthesis.
Synthesis, yeah.
So this option has a C option is correct. Comprehension
Correct
means
answer,
what?
yeah.
Understanding. It's not talking about the understanding. Let's see. Last question. We'll do this last question, okay? Check, please.
Yeah. Analyze.
Did you understand the question? Again, we have to go for which level?
Evaluation.
And question is given. Which level is this?
Compare.
Compare comes at which level? Yes, Mr. Tejal. Ms. Tejal has given option B. Okay. Compare is which level of the blue cognitive ability? Which level? Compare.
Third level, right?
Which one? Come again.
Third level, compare.
Yes, Miss. Analysis level. Fourth level. Third level is the
Fourth level.
application.
Then apply analysis,
Comparison
yeah.
is the
Fourth
fourth
level,
level. We have to come up with the fifth level, right? Which options need
Yes.
to be ruled out?
Option A can be
Compare.
ruled out
Okay. Why it's ruled out?
Yeah.
What is the reason?
because their question is about comparison and not the differences.
This is talking about open-ended question, right? This question is an open-ended question, right?
Yes, sir.
Number one. What differences are there between digital marketing? Second thing, again, it's a comparing, correct?
Yeah.
And comparing means what? Analysis.
Yes.
So it's not a evaluation level, it's a fourth level. Inshallah. What about these two options? C and D.
Sir, answer must be in
They
between
stand.
C and D.
Answer must be
They.
Like in C or D, because we are evaluating a student's evaluation skill.
okay. But here says compare it. This also says compare it.
Yes.
And we agreed compare means what?
Analysis.
Thank you. Next, if I ask you, in your opinion, how was your day? what I'm doing? I'm asking you to become a judgmental, isn't?
Yeah.
At the end of the essay, we write, in my opinion, right? In
Yes.
my opinion, I destroyed a whole day, right?
Yes.
That's
Conclusion.
evaluation, right?
Yes.
So, in your opinion, we write it. That means we are going to be judgmental.
Yes.
Evaluation. So, option B. Thank you, Mr. Tejal. Option B. Okay, that's a correct option. So, guys, I hope that you enjoyed both sessions. Even you are allowed, okay, to ask me question anytime. My numbers, both numbers are given me. My all numbers are given in the, the WhatsApp, UAE, all these things, okay. You can check it over there. And thank you so much for joining session.